This video will demonstrate the installation of the Grandio Greenhouse's Aluminet Shade Net. Greenhouses can reach high temperatures even during modest warmth. A shade net is an essential tool in maintaining proper inside temperature. Grandio shade nets are purpose-made to reduce sunlight by 50% to keep your greenhouse cool. Before you begin, make sure to read all provided documentation carefully. Begin by removing the top middle bolt on each corner of your base and replacing it with the eye bolt. Have a friend tighten the nut from the inside. Measure the height of the eye bolt and mark its vertical position in the corresponding locations on the base. Reference the diagram and the instructions to determine your hole spacing based on greenhouse size and use the included drill bit to drill access holes where needed. Disengage your vent openers. Drape the shade net over the top of the greenhouse and center it on the roof. Using the included paracord, tie a knot through the corner grommet. Thread the paracord from the eye bolts to each grommet like so. Do a taut line knot at the opposite end and repeat these steps on the opposite side of the greenhouse. Re-engage your vent openers to allow for adequate slack. Recenter your shade net by adjusting your taut line accordingly.